Hi everyone, welcome back. I just want to let you know what's going on for the month of July. I am participating in a few collaborations, so I want to just give you a quick update and let you know what to expect at a minimum from this month of July. So I am doing a private collaboration with Wandering Dreamer 555. I'm going to leave everyone's information in the description box in case you're interested in checking these lovely people out. We're doing Dog Days of Summer. This has been in the works for about 4 or 5 months now, actually. Um, but we want to make sure that we both were free. And we were supposed to do it last month, but I had my trip to South Carolina and she still had school. And we wanted to make sure that we both were clear-minded, and we'll be posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, so that's the first collaboration. The second thing that I have chosen to do, as you know, I'm going to be doing the Unity Kit of the Month cards, and that is going to be every Thursday. I don't know if I'm going to keep this up. I am not sure if I'm going to keep the subscription or not. We'll talk about that another time. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section. And then, so now, a couple of weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago now, Gracie21 posted a Do You Want to Do Christmas in July collaboration. And of course, who does not want to do Christmas in July? I know the big box stores definitely want to do Christmas in July because they're starting to put out their fall and winter things. So I'm going to be doing Christmas in July with Gracie, 21, along with 8 other wonderful ladies. And that is going to be every Monday of the month, okay? Then I saw a post by Jan's Crazy Life, who is doing Girls Just Want to Have Sun. And that is going to be every Saturday or Sunday. And I haven't chosen what day, but keep out. It is a collaboration. It's 21 ladies involved, 3 hosts, Jan, Tina, and Jamie. I'll leave their 3 channels down below as well. And then the 5th one is Helen Lewis, and she's also doing a Christmas in July collaboration. The great thing about most of these collaborations is none of them bump into each other, right? Except for my private collaboration, because Helen's is on Friday, as I like to call it now. So you're going to see, if you can mathematic it up, as I like to say, if you review it, I am going to be doing a video every day of the week except for Tuesday, Saturday, or Sunday in the month of July. And if you come up and do all the math, I'm going to probably be doing at a minimum 30 videos in the month of July. Now, what's different beside this than, CRADA and Create Every Day in May is that these are very pointed topics. Christmas July is very pointed. I have a kit for Gracie's collaboration, which is great because I don't have to worry about other things. I have that little iris box set to the side. I already have an idea what I want to do with this. And of course, for Unity, I'm just using Unity stamps to make a card or something. Now, with my Dog Days of Summer, I definitely have, every collaboration I'm doing, I already have things in mind. So, for example, you probably won't see, you will not see the exact same thing in any of the Christmas videos. You'll not see the exact same thing in Girls Want to Have Sun or the Dog Days of Summer. So, I hope that you are ready for this crazy July ride of crafting. It's a lot of collaborations going on, not just with the ones that I'm participating in, but I've seen other collaborations. People are doing so much wonderful stuff, crafting and creating. I hope that you just join in with us. Even if you haven't signed up, you can still just craft along. You don't have to sign up. I know some people don't make videos. But if you decide to do something, maybe you can contact one of these ladies and see what they're doing next month. I also have a few irons in the fire for August, which I'm super excited about. Until I actually do a crafting video, happy crafting.